Did you know that the secret ingredients professional dealers use to make a car look showroom ready are often sitting right under your kitchen sink or in your bathroom cabinet? Millions of drivers are overpaying by hundreds of dollars because they don't realize that a $3 bottle of petroleum jelly or a tube of toothpaste can outperform high-end detailing chemicals. Most shops won't tell you this because their business depends on you staying in the dark. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 15 genius car tricks that will make your vehicle look brand new again without draining your wallet. Trick number 15, Vaseline for instant headlight restoration. Cloudy, oxidized headlights aren't just an eyesore that makes your car look 10 years older. They're a major safety hazard that cuts your night visibility by up to 50%. While a professional restoration kit or a shop service can easily run you $100, the secret fix is actually petroleum jelly. Take a clean microfiber cloth and apply a small dab of Vaseline. Rub it into the lens using firm circular motions. What's happening here? The petroleum jelly fills the microscopic pits caused by UV damage, essentially wetting the plastic and restoring clarity instantly. Buff off the excess until it's smooth to the touch. Not only does this clear the haze for pennies, but it actually creates a hydrophobic barrier that sheds water and protects the plastic from further sun damage. Have you ever noticed how quickly those pro kits yellow again? This simple trick often lasts longer because it treats the plastic rather than just sanding it down. Trick number 14, toothpaste to buff out car scuffs. We've all had that heart-sinking moment finding a mysterious white scuff on the door in a parking lot. Before you head to a body shop for a $200 paint correction, head to your bathroom, you need standard white toothpaste, the grittier the better, avoid the fancy gels. Apply a small amount to a damp cloth and work it into the scuff. Toothpaste is essentially a mild polishing compound designed to remove plaque without destroying tooth enamel. On your car, it does the exact same thing. It levels the clear coat just enough to vanish surface transfers and light scratches. Rinse it off and you'll see the paint's original luster return. It's the same science behind professional cutting creams, just at 1/1000th of the price. Why pay for a stage 1 polish when you can fix it while brushing your teeth? Trick number 13, shampoo for deep clean carpets. Car carpets are magnets for the worst kind of grime, salt, oil, and spilled coffee that standard vacuums just can't touch. Dealers will charge you upwards of $150 for a hot water extraction, but you can achieve the same chemical breakdown with regular hair shampoo. Think about it, shampoo is engineered to break down organic oils and sweat. Mix a tablespoon into a spray bottle with warm water and mist the stained area. Agitate it with a stiff brush. You'll see the foam pull the dirt right to the surface. Blot it up with a dry towel and you'll realize that stain wasn't permanent, it just needed the right pH balancer. Plus, unlike harsh industrial degreasers, shampoo won't make your car smell like a chemical factory, it'll just smell clean. Trick number 12, white vinegar and newspaper for crystal clear glass. If you're still using blue window cleaner and paper towels, you're probably frustrated by those stubborn streaks that only show up when the sun hits the windshield. Most commercial cleaners contain soaps that leave a thin film behind. That's what causes the streaks. The professional's secret, white vinegar and old school newspaper. Mix a 50-50 solution of vinegar and water. The acetic acid in the vinegar aggressively dissolves mineral deposits and that off-gassing film that builds up on the inside of your glass. But the real magic is the newspaper. The ink acts as a very fine abrasive, and the paper fiber is lint-free, unlike microfiber, which can sometimes just move oils around. It's the only way to get invisible glass. Ever wonder why your windows look blurry at night? This is the fix. Trick number 11, coconut oil for a spotless paint finish. This one sounds crazy until you see the results. If your paint looks thirsty, dull, flat, and lifeless, it's usually because the clear coat has become porous over time. While ceramic coatings are great, they are expensive and difficult to apply. Coconut oil, however, is a natural lipid that bonds beautifully to automotive surfaces. After a wash, apply a very thin layer to the paint and buff it off immediately. It fills those microscopic pores, giving the paint a deep, wet look that usually requires hours of machine polishing. It's also a miracle worker on faded black plastic trim. It doesn't just sit on top, it soaks in. Just remember, a little goes a long way, don't overdo it, or you'll be a rolling magnet for dust. Trick number 10, DIY formula for a full car clean. Stop buying 4 different bottles for wheels, paint, and trim. You're being marketed into an empty wallet. A true all-purpose super cleaner can be made for about 50 cents. Mix 1 cup of grease-cutting dish soap, half a cup of white vinegar, and a gallon of water. The dish soap handles the heavy oils and road film, while the vinegar neutralizes the minerals in your tap water to prevent spotting. This combo is powerful enough to strip old wax and break dust, but gentle enough for your dashboard. Why maintain a shelf of chemicals when one bucket does it all? Trick number 9, baby wipes for a spotless car interior. If you have 60 seconds at a red light, you can detail your interior. Baby wipes are the unsung heroes of car care. They are designed to be extremely gentle but effective at lifting skin oils, which is exactly what makes your steering wheel and door handles look shiny and gross. Keep a pack in your glove box. One quick wipe across the dash and console removes dust without leaving that oily, cheap shine that most interior sprays do. It leaves a natural, factory matte finish. Most importantly, it keeps the plastic from drying out and cracking in the sun. It's the fastest way to keep a car looking just detailed every single day. Trick number 8, toothpaste for crystal clear side mirrors. Side mirrors are the most neglected part of a car wash. They catch all the hard water spots that regular soap won't touch, and eventually they become foggy. Just like we did with the scuffs, a little toothpaste on the mirror glass acts as a microabrasive. It strips away the calcified water spots that vinegar might miss. If you struggle to see your blind spots when it's raining, this is your solution. It clears the glass so well that water actually sheets off better. Have you checked your side mirrors lately? You might be surprised how much road film is actually on them. Trick number 7, clay bar for a showroom smooth finish. If you've ever washed your car and felt the paint only to find it feels like sandpaper, you have embedded contaminants. This is iron from your brakes and industrial fallout that is literally melting into your paint. You don't need a professional to decontaminate your car. A simple clay bar kit is your best friend. Use a bit of soapy water as a lubricant and glide the clay over the paint. You'll actually hear it working, and then suddenly it'll go silent. That's the feeling of perfectly smooth paint. Doing this once a year will make your car look 5 years younger instantly, because light will finally reflect off the surface properly instead of scattering off the grit. Trick number 6, Coca-Cola to clean dirty tires. Tires turn brown because of a process called blooming, where antioxidants in the rubber move to the surface. Soap rarely touches it. The secret, the phosphoric acid in Coca-Cola. It's a mild acid that eats through the browning and brake dust without harming the rubber. Pour it on, give it a quick scrub, and rinse. Your tires will go from a dusty brown back to a deep, natural black. It's a classic trick that old-school car show veterans have used for decades to get that new rubber look without the greasy, fake-looking tire shine. Trick number 5, shade washing for a scratch-free finish. This is the most common mistake I see. If the metal of your car is hot to the touch, do not wash it, period. When you wash a hot car, the water and soap evaporate instantly, leaving behind etching. Those are permanent marks where the chemicals dried into the paint. Deaglers never wash in the sun if they can help it. If you have to wash outside, do it at 7:00 a.m. or after the sun starts to dip. This allows the soap to actually encapsulate the dirt so it can be safely rinsed away. This one tip alone will prevent 90% of the swirl marks people complain about. Trick number 4, black shoe polish for faded exterior trim. Those gray, ashy-looking plastic bumpers, they make even a brand new car look like a junker. Most trim restorers are just oils that wash off the next time it rains. Black shoe polish is different. It contains dyes and hard waxes that actually stain and seal the plastic. Work it in with a brush, let it dry, and buff it. It's a semi-permanent fix that lasts months. It fills in the sun-bleached areas and provides a UV-resistant layer. It's the ultimate pre-sale trick that can add $500 to the value of an older car in 10 minutes. Trick number 3, WD-40 to restore wiper blades. Before you go buy $40 wipers because yours are streaking, try this. Most of the time, the rubber isn't worn, it's just oxidized and stiff. Spray some WD-40 on a rag and pull it along the edge of the blade. You'll see a thick black residue come off. That's the dead rubber and road grime. The WD-40 softens the remaining rubber, making it pliable again so it can actually flip and wipe the water away. It takes 30 seconds and can double the life of your wipers. How much have you spent on wipers in the last 2 years? You could have saved half of that. Trick number 2, baby oil for an instant showroom shine. If you have a car meet or a date and no time for a 4-hour wax job, baby oil is your cheat code. It's a highly refined mineral oil that provides an incredible depth of gloss. Apply it very sparingly to a clean car. It hides light swirl marks and makes the paint look like it's dripping wet. It's the same effect as high-end show glazes used on the auction block. Just remember, this is a temporary beauty trick, not a long-term protectant, but for an instant wow factor, nothing beats it. Trick number 1, silicone spray for instant door seal restoration. This is the most important hack on the list. Those rubber seals around your doors keep out the rain, the wind, and the road noise. When they get dry and brittle, your car gets loud and eventually starts to leak. Once a year, spray a silicone lubricant onto a cloth and wipe down every rubber seal. Silicone is the lifeblood of rubber. It keeps it soft and prevents it from sticking to the metal in the winter, which is how most seals get torn. A quiet, dry car feels like a luxury car. This 2-minute job is the difference between a car that feels tight and one that feels like a rattling old bucket. How many of these car cleaning hacks did you already know? Drop a comment and tell me which one shocked you the most. I'm betting it was the Coke or the Vaseline. If this video just saved you hundreds of dollars in detailing and repair bills, hit that subscribe button for more money-saving car content that exposes the secrets they don't want you to know. Your car and your wallet will thank you. Now repair shops are secretly hiding even more mechanical tricks that could keep your car running forever. Click this next video to find out what they are.